In this video, I am going to show you how to make clear page dividers for your planner. There are several advantages to clear page dividers. Clear page dividers can add interest to your planner, and maybe they'll even help inspire you to use your planner more often. They're lightweight, so they will not add a lot of unnecessary thickness to your planner, and you can get creative with these clear page dividers. I kept mine simple so that they will be appropriate for work, but you can add inspirational quotes, you can personalize them with your name, you can add a graphic or a picture, you can put your word of the year on them, you can even cut these down and make your own page finders. I use them also as a way to protect my paper tab dividers. So to make these dividers, it's 3 easy steps. Number 1, you're going to design it. Number 2, you're going to print it out. And number 3, you're going to trim it and put holes in it. So pretty much if you can use a computer and print out a page, you'll be able to make these page dividers. To make these clear page dividers pop, you may want to put pretty papers behind them. I'm using the Franklin Planner Gingham Gardens tab dividers, and here I'm doing a quick flip through of the tab dividers. If you like these, you can click on the link underneath this video to see them on the website. I will also add a discount promo code under this video to help you save money. 3 things you will need for this project are, number 1, you need inkjet transparency film. I purchased the inkjet film because I have an inkjet printer, so you want to make sure you purchase the type of film that corresponds to the printer that you have. Now, I paid $19.95 for this pack of transparency film, and I got 30 sheets, so that's like paying 66 cents per divider. Also, you will need a corner punch as well as a hole puncher. Again, all of these items will be listed underneath this video. Step 1 is to design it. Go open your favorite web browser and type in canva.com. If you don't already have an account, you will need to register. I am using the free version of Canva. By the way, the browser I'm using is Google Chrome version 86, and I am using a Mac computer. The reason I'm telling you this is because if you're using a Windows-based PC, these steps will still work, but the steps may slightly differ, but should be very similar to what you see me doing here. So once you're in Canva, in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click on Create a Design. Then you're going to choose Custom Dimensions. This is where you're going to put the size of the inkjet transparency film that you're printing on. So change it from pixels to inches and put 8.5 by 11. Now choose File, Show Print Bleed. This is so that you can see the border that is around the page. You know that you shouldn't really put anything in that area because it may not print when you go to print your transparency film. Now over to the left, you want to click on the text icon. And you'll see different types of text there that you can choose, but I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to choose to add a heading and drag and drop it into my document. With it highlighted, I'm going to type in the name of the tab. I want one tab called Work. I'm going to highlight it and now change the font in the upper left-hand corner. And I'm going to choose a font called Great Vibes. You can choose any type of font you like. Now when the cursor turns into a diagonal arrow, then you can resize the word. So I am going to just resize this and so that the height is at least 4 inches. And you can see the dimensions there in that black box as I am adjusting it. I'm just going to keep going until I get to 4 inches. Then I'm going to click outside of the word so I can move it. And now I can just drag it to where I want it. When I see the purple line there in the middle, I know that the word is directly in the middle of the page, which is where I want it. And now I'm just going to drag it down just a little bit because I want the word toward the edge of my planner tab divider. Now you're going to go up to in the upper right hand corner and click on Download, and you're going to change the file type to PDF Print. This allows you to print high quality PDF images. Now select the download button, and because I have the free version, it always shows me an advertisement here. I just ignore that, and at the top here is how I print from a Mac. This will look different for you if you're printing from a Windows PC. So just make sure you make note of where you are saving your file, because it's about to save the PDF file to your computer or wherever you desire. And you're going to hit save. The file saves in the bottom left-hand corner. So to open it, you can just click there in the bottom left-hand corner. And here is the PDF. Now that we have the PDF file, we are going to print it, and that's just simply choosing File, Print. Now here's the part, before you hit print, you want to go to your printer and make sure that your transparency film is inserted the correct way. This is really important. A lot of people will put the transparency film in on the wrong side, and then the words just rub right off. You have to print on the correct side of the transparency film. You want to follow the instructions on your package. My printer, I have to turn documents down facing. So in order to print on my transparency film, I had to put the print side facing down for my particular printer. So here's how the transparency page looks straight out of the printer, and I have the word finances on this one. So I'm going to take my paper trimmer. The classic size page divider size is 8.5 inches by 6 inches. If you have the compact size, your planner divider will be 4.625 inches by 6.75 inches. Now that it's cut, I can use the hole puncher to punch holes in it. Here I'm using a corner punch. It has 3 different sizes on it. I'm using the smallest corner punch, which is 4 millimeters. Now the clear divider is completed, and I'm now going to place it in my planner. Please let me know in the comments what type of tab dividers you have in your planner. I have in mine a tab divider for work, for finances, for family, for YouTube, for Instagram ideas, and for miscellaneous. And under miscellaneous, I put like blank forms there. So please let me know in the comments what type of tabs you carry in your planner. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please consider subscribing. Please don't forget to like this video. This is Tonya, helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Take care.